Hi guys, this is Sun Moon Tarot bringing to you another reading today. Today's reading is going to be about who or what is coming towards you next. Okay, so I have four piles here laid out for you, starting with pile number 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can either pause the video if you want some more time to focus on the piles and then choose based on your intuition and not on your eyes. Okay, so I'll see you at your reading. Bye. Hello, pile number 1. So, if you chose this pile, I feel that you guys might have been going through a kind of betrayal. Alright, so there's a chance that this person who kind of like betrayed you, or who you like, this might be your ex as well. So, this person might try to return in your life. Okay, so I feel that, yeah, so you guys might have some kind of. Um, Wait a second, let me just take another clarifier. Okay, you guys have had taken some kind of trip, or you guys might be. Okay, so you guys might have helped this person in some kind of way. All right, and like it also might be at the very basic level. It might just be that your ex is coming back to return your stuff or something like that, and this kind of triggers you because the breakup was not on a very good page, and this kind of triggers you, and you guys end up like lashing out on your ex and telling them, because I see a lot of yellow over here. So I see the thing that you might have been reflecting on your past and whatever happened in the relationship, and you guys might end up telling this person, giving him or her a piece of your mind, as we say. Okay, so let us take more. So pile number 1, you might be like being asked to finally having to let go of this person. All right, so this might be, yeah, because this is whatever is happening is for the highest good of everybody, including you and the other person in the relationship. Okay, okay, you have to remember that there's a strong powerful force of love that is actually that is governing your life right now. Okay, and okay, so you guys might be actually suffering, going through a very tough time. Okay, so this person, whoever is coming in, this King of Wands person, who might be your ex. Okay, this person might have been very dominant, very controlling kind of a person who likes to think that they have some kind of, they own you or something like that. So I don't feel that that's a very nice energy to be dealing with. Okay, and yeah, this person might actually have some kind of ulterior motive where they want something from you. From this card as well, with the medicine bag. Just a second, where is it? Yeah. So with this medicine bag and this card, the three of, what is this, three of pentacles. Okay, so I feel that this person might have had actually some kind of you know like ulterior motive. While this person, you guys might have been working together, you guys might have been each other's colleagues. Okay, you guys might have been classmates, or people who were like working on the same project in some kind of office. Okay, you were doing some kind of video editing stuff together, or I feel like you guys might have been having like travel plans together, hiking, camping, whatever. So this person might still be invested in those plans. That is why this person is trying to reach out to you. All right, okay, however, this person might also be having like other people in his or her mind. Like you might be like sitting alone and thinking like about whatever happened, but this person has already included other members like into the plan, and he or she is thinking of going out with them. Vision quest. Okay, alright, so this person might be messaging you very very soon, and this might be regarding this travel plan only that you guys made. Alright, so pile number 1, excuse me, sorry for that, guys. So I feel that this guy might be texting you very soon regarding this plan that you guys have made. So yeah, pile number 1, that's your reading. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome to your reading, pile number 2. So if you chose pile number 2, I feel who or what is coming towards you, right? So I feel that you guys will be receiving some kind of very good news regarding your finance. I feel that you guys might have been going through some kind of financial hardship. You guys might have been going through some kind of money crunches, or some kind of phase of life where you might not have been doing very well regarding your finances. So sorry guys for that noise. I live in an area where like there's trains passing by very like now and then, so you guys will have to deal with that. So sorry. So yeah, so I feel that you guys might have been going through some kind of financial difficulties. Yeah, so you guys will be receiving some kind of very good news regarding, yeah, so communication, yeah, some kind of communication. Please check your mails or your calls. You guys will be receiving some kind of, like, your boss might be reaching out to you. All right, let's take another card. Also, if you guys have been involved in a romantic kind of tie-up, or you guys are in a relationship with somebody, this person might be asking you very soon to take a trip with them. Okay. Okay, I also feel that you guys, like, whatever financial hardship that you guys have been going through, the wheel of fortune signifies a turn of fortune, right? Of luck. So luck is finally going in your favor, and if you had to deal with some kind of loss, business loss or personal loss, so this thing is going to get like overturned, and then finally, if your money had been stuck somewhere, it's going to come around this time. Okay, smudging ceremony. So you guys might be, doing whatever you can at this moment to make this. You guys have. Okay, again we have the Ace of Swords. So definitely, guys, some kind of communication regarding your money, regarding your work, regarding your career. Your boss might be trying to contact you. If you had been working from home, your boss might be like calling you up and asking you to take a short trip somewhere. The Page of Wands also indicates short trips. Okay, so either this might be with your colleague as well, who turns up to be your partner in the future. All right, guys. So okay, so yeah, very happy times are coming for you. I feel you guys are going to get lucky money wise, relationship wise. You guys are going to have a short trip coming for you very soon. So I'll like ask you guys to like prep for this thing. So oh my god, Queen of Swords as well. Yeah, definitely, guys, some kind of communication regarding your work. Okay, that's it for pile 2. Thanks for watching. Welcome to your reading, pile number 3. If you guys chose pile number 3, who or what is coming towards you? I feel like material prosperity and a very huge amount of like money is going to come towards you. Like money blessings are coming towards you. Money blessings, and also you guys might be like getting engaged or getting married this fall, this October, coming October, because with the Queen of Pentacles, and I always resonate this the environment that she is in very much with autumn season. Okay, so you guys might be getting married in coming like October 2021. So I feel that engagement ceremony or a marriage ceremony, also some kind of financial gain is coming towards you like within the next few months. I also feel that you guys might be looking for houses, looking for homes with your partners. And you might get a very good offer on this, on this house or property that you were looking for. All right, I also feel that with this depiction over here, this might be the kind of perfect house that you had been looking for. Okay, that might just come around just randomly. It's like you see this hand of God offering the pentacle. So I feel that this might be a very lucky aspect as well, like out of nowhere, you are getting this offer after having looked for so many houses, and all this comes in very easily. You don't have to look for it that much. So yeah, a house offer and the property, house or property that you're going to buy or your partner is going to buy, that is coming towards you, and some kind of marriage, or you guys might be getting engaged. Or I also feel some of you guys, if you had been planning for a baby, okay, or you guys had been trying like for trying for a baby since like the last 3 months, you guys might be finally successful, and around this October, November, or September, you guys might be conceiving. Okay, some of you guys, the women who are watching, might be getting pregnant. All right, so that's a very happy news, guys. Let me just check. Okay, so the others of you who are not planning for a baby, you guys might actually be thinking of getting your fitness goals in order. Okay, you guys might be like exercising, you guys might be taking short trips, running around. Your fitness goals might be, finally being achieved. All of your fitness goals, if you had been wanting to get more fit, get into some kind of gym, or some kind of hiring, like assigning yourself an online, excuse me, sorry guys, yeah, assigning yourself some kind of online trainer, or going on like some hiking or camping trips with your friends, mm, some faraway places. Okay, that might be coming in order. You guys might have been going through some kind of like heartbreak, in the sense as in, okay, so you guys might have been going through some kind of worries. All right, I feel that you guys might have been worried or anxious regarding whether these plans that you had made, either your fitness goals or trips that you had planned, or your marriage or like a relationship, is it going to the next step or is it not? You guys might have been worried about that, but then I'm telling you not to worry, because blessings abound. Like, you guys are like set up for a very like good time in the future ahead. Yeah, so love is coming towards you. I feel like the coming few months is going to be very, very, very romantic for you guys. Okay, so you guys are being asked to have faith in yourself, and the steps that you are taking are completely towards the right direction. All right, so what is coming towards you is joy, prosperity, marriage, partnership, a new house probably, and your fitness goals being accomplished. So hats off, guys. uh, that's a lot, like, lot to be achieved in a very small amount of time. So you guys are going to have a gala time ahead. That's it for you, pile number 3. Thanks for watching. Hi, pile number 4. This is your reading regarding who or what is coming towards you, and I feel that you guys might have, you know, kind of going through some kind of difficult times or hardships. So, what is coming towards you is, I feel, help in the form of a friend, in the form of a supporter. Like, there's someone coming into your life who is going to help you, sort these difficulties that you guys had been having, these burdens that you guys had been carrying. If you guys are overburdened with work, projects, or if there is too much on your plate regarding your career, relationship, family, so somebody who's a very kind soul, who's very, like, older than you, mature, more mature than you, and then has a more kind of, fiery aspect towards them. This person might be an Aries, okay, or I feel a Scorpio, or a Capricorn, with these things in the chart, or they might also be a Virgo. Okay, so I feel that this person might be coming in your life in order to help you or give you some kind of guidance or advice regarding where you're going wrong, or regarding how to better manage your, it might be your finances, it might be your responsibilities. Okay, let me take another card. Okay, so yeah, definitely your friends. I feel that if you guys are going through some kind of difficult phase, your friends are coming in. Okay, friendship is coming in, love is coming in the form of, platonic love, the kind of love where you feel that you do not have to give anything in return, where you feel like you are covered from all sides, which is very kind of like unconditional. There are no conditions attached to it. Yeah, definitely your elders, your family elders might be reaching out to you, asking you how you are, asking you if you need anything. They might be like, looking at you and like worrying about you constantly. They might be calling you up and asking if you need anything, like, you can just call us up and we are there for you, we are going to help you. So yeah, okay, so you guys are being asked to, like indulge in you. I think that you might have been the kind of person who usually likes to take it solo, ride it solo, do your things on your own, not take anybody's help for anything. So this person, your elders, like whoever, like who are trying to like help you, I definitely feel it's either like your friends coming in, two friends, a female, a male, okay, or this might be your father or mother who are like intervening in some kind of situation and trying to help you out, all right, with their advice, with their money, with their guidance, with their emotional support. Okay, guys. Yeah, so this situation is going to bring in a lot of healing, okay, and this is going to bring in the feeling that you are not alone. You guys might have be having anxiety, social anxiety as well. So you feel like taking help from others is not, something that you deserve, or not something that is like a very like good thing for you. You do not see taking help from others in a very good light. I don't know why. Okay, guys. But then this card with this, I feel like with the two moons over here, it's talking about partnership. The entire spread, it's talking about partnership, it's talking about collaboration. So also, like from my own experience, guys, in life's journey, I feel that if you, with that quote, like I would like to tell you, like, I had heard that if you want to go somewhere like fast, go alone. But if you want to go somewhere, like which is very um like, sorry guys, I forgot the code only. So anyways, it talks about like more like if you want to go somewhere where you want to like stay for a very long amount of time, or like something very big, you can go together, right? You can include other people in your journey, and that makes it even more joyful, that makes it even more fulfilling. So I feel that this journey is going to like be about that thing, like teaching you how to take help from others, how to like have collaboration in your life. So yeah, you might be tempted to go on this journey alone, or like go back to the same old patterns of solitude, of emotional withdrawal, where you guys do not like open up to other people very easily, do not like to like tell other people what's going on in your life or anything like that, take help or anything like that. But then yeah, like this the kind of thing, whatever is happening is forcing you to like sit back, relax, and reflect on how you are living your life, and how like you are going into a path that might lead you to be very like lonely, like solitary, which is not a good. You are being asked to like take help from others, and like collaborate with others. All right, pile number 4. Yeah, so like there might have been some delays in the work or project that you are, and you guys are being asked to loving memories. Yes, you guys are definitely being asked to take others help in the situation that you are in. Okay, so pile number 4, I feel that help is coming for you guys in the form of friendships, in the form of collaboration, in the form of parents, like parents or elders, like like asking you whatever you are going through. And then I feel that there's an energy of friendship, of acquaintances like looking out for you in some kind of situation. Alright guys, that's it for you, pile number 4. Thank you for watching.